turning plus arm styling, that's a very tricky combination, and that's why today I made this video for you, because even though you're still working on your spins, it doesn't mean you cannot be fancy and stylish. So that's why I'm sharing these three, not two, three top arm styling for the right turn. Welcome, my name is Dalia, your dance bestie. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. And as I promised, I will share with you my top 3 arm styling for the right turn that will not compromise your balance and stability. So, first section is going to be follow along, and second section, if you still have questions, just skip to that because I have detailed explanation. Let's do that. We're going to do a little sequence, first basic, then style number 1, basic, style number 2, basic, style number 3, finish with the basic. Let's go ahead. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, now I'm going to turn around, follow along. Get ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 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 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, now it's up to you to practice and try it to the music. If you're still a little bit confused, let's go ahead and break it down. We're going to start first with the arms, and then we're going to add the turn. Okay, so at this point, everyone is familiar with the turn. We just need to add the sassiness. Okay, so style number 1, we start with the hands here, like almost if you want to cut yourself in the middle, yeah, and then we go 1, 2, throw it away, yes, like you have some gum and you just want to get rid of it. That's on 3, and then 5, you place your hands right here above your butt, and your elbows have to be pointing a little bit back, not side back, okay? And that's on 5, 6, 7. You hold it all the time of the turn. So that's exactly why this is a really good one, because you're not getting distracted with doing something else, and you can really keep your calm, your balance, and stability. Okay, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, we're going to add it to the turn. I'm going to do it also on the other side. Now, try to mirror me. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, turning around, we go. 5, 6, only the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, adding it to the turn, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. All right, now for the breakdown of style number 2, we're going to do the arms again. So we go, it's almost like if you were wearing a dress and you want to take it off. Yes? So we go 1, 2, and then hold it, and throw it away. On 3, yes? And then 5, 6, 7, we, with the right hand, touch our left hip, yes? And with the left hand, my right hip on the back. You see this? Palm touching my left hip, and the other side of my palm touching my right hip on the back. Okay? All right. One more time. 5, 6. Only arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Let's add it to the basic, the turn. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then come back. All right. Turning around. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, with the turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. And now for the last style. This one is super simple. But before I go there, remember to show some love by liking and subscribing to my channel, yes? And also click on the notification button so you will not miss anything, all right? Now, that being said, let's continue. With number 3, style number 3, we have the painting the wall, so we go, again, like cutting ourselves, we go 1, 2, 3, and then on 5, we hold the wrist of our left hand, yes? So some people like to do styling here. I prefer just to close my wrist, my fist, yes? My wrist, my fist, to close it and just like really engage my frame here. If you notice, my arms are not in front of my face. They are a little bit behind or by my ears, yes? So if I have this hold like very strong, then I'm not going to lose my balance, okay? All right, let's give it a try. Only arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, now with the turn. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, turning around. Ready? 5, 6, only arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now with the steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Woo! All right. Okay. Now you may be asking, now how do I get out of here? Well, easily you have two options. You can just go behind your neck and do the hair comb, or you can go and be fancier, which is part of the peacock style that I teach on this video. All right, well, I hope you had fun. Now, let's go ahead and try everything to the music. What do you think? Let's do that. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to show some love by liking and subscribing to my channel, and also clicking on the notification button so you won't miss anything. Sharing is caring, so if you feel like this video helped you, help others by sharing. And comments, you know I love your comments. I love to hear from you. All right, and in that note, see you next week.